If you're struggling with diabetes or high blood pressure, I really want you to go to Dherbs.com and check out the Dherbs Full Body Cleanse. There are thousands of testimonials online from real people who have transformed their health and, frankly, their lives with the help of the Dherbs Full Body Cleanse. This is a cleanse. It's not a fad diet or a product like that. It's been featured on countless national TV shows because it works. And I've tried it, and you feel great. You have more energy, and you lose some weight. You look really good, and you feel better, a better version of yourself. Bottom line, Dherbs will help you see better health and weight loss clearly in 2020. I've heard so many great things from listeners that I want you to try the cleanse because the next success story could be from you. And if there's never been a better time to try it, because right now you can get a nice discount at checkout with promo code George. Just use my name. That's Dherbs.com, promo code George, or there's a toll-free number you can call, 1-866-4-DHERBS, 1-866, the number 4, D-HERBS.